we have a refrigerator just got dropped off. Hooking up a refrigerator is pretty straightforward. We've already run our water line. All you gotta do is find the spot where your water line comes out, and we connected our braided hose with a 1/4-inch fitting, and we ran it through what's basically the tops of the cabinets. We pulled out the drawers, and we basically just run this line all the way across to the sink area. Comes behind the dishwasher, up through the top of the corner cabinet, into the cavity between the side of the cabinet and the sink. And then connected that water line. We split the PEX, added a three-way fitting, a 1/2-inch PEX to PEX, and then with a 1/4-inch T on it, and connected that line there. Once that's connected, all we have left to do is grab the plug off the back of the fridge. We were leaving the tape on the plug. We just need enough length to plug it in. There we go. And now what we're going to do is slide it in, and just be careful not to pinch the hose. We'll just pull it from inside here to take that slack up. So we'll just go ahead and give this a little push. Get one quarter in, enough to where I can see how much slack I've got, and then pull out the slack in the water line. There you can go. You can see I've taken up a lot of the slack. Just trying to keep it from getting pinched. All you gotta do is take care to slide it back into its hole. And these fridges have wheels on them, which is nice. That's how simple it is to install a refrigerator. Water line, plug, unwrap the plastic, and you're good to go. Like this video if you would, help it along. Be sure and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.